Welcome back everyone to the F1 Paddock Village in Cities Skylines. Of course, last time out we built the Azerbaijan Baku street circuit to build our industrial center for our city. We also built the Monaco circuit in the first episode to build our residential area. And if you guys haven't seen those videos yet, make sure to check out the link in the description. There's a link to a playlist of all the videos we made so far. But today we have a bit of a problem. There's a lot of deaths going around, but we also need to build a new residential zone to make our city look nicer. And what better circuit than the Qatar circuit to build in this area here? A nice flat area to build on, and the Qatar circuit is flat also, so it'll be a perfect place to build another residential zone and to sort this mess out. Like this video if you guys are enjoying the series, subscribe using the red subscribe button down below, and hit the notification bell as well so you're notified as soon as the next episode goes live. And let's move on with today's video. First, we need to update you guys on what happened since the last video. So this is just a generic industrial center with our power plants here. So we've got our incineration plants and some of the coal power plants, which I'm trying to phase out soon. We have a small windmill slash wind power energy center here, and when we grow our city more, we'll get the solar panels, which will look nice and shiny and very green. Forestry industry working wonders in this area. We've fixed it so that we do make a lot of money. I struggled a bit last time out, but I have found a way to fix it all, and it's working very well, making us some money. And also here with the crops, but the big problem today is going to be the Qatar Grand Prix circuit. Essentially what we want to do with the Qatar Grand Prix circuit is to build it in here. It looks pretty much like Ditto, the Pokemon. So what we're going to try to aim to do is build another exit out of these highways, build it across, connect to this area where we'll build our circuit. Let's just start with the circuit itself, which we will do with our biggest streets possible. Something like this would do well, I think. And we'll bend it across like so, and then we'll go straight through here for a tiny bit, and then we're gonna have another hook a little upwards, yeah, and then it's gonna hook around. Wait, what is this? It's a shipwreck. Why is there a ship just chilling there? So that is the first sector pretty much almost done. Bringing it back down, I think. We gotta bring it down to like here, I'd say. It's gonna be borderline impossible to get it absolutely right, but I have faith. What do we say? Yeah, that looks about right. Like so, I'd say. Okay, we've spread the land out a bit more, evened it out a bit. So let's bring this back up. Let's try to build a sharp kink down. Borderline irregular turn. Rotate this 90. And then this also 90, because it's borderline like that. Like so. Yeah, it goes down a good amount. Like so. Then we're gonna bring it straight down. Yeah, this is working out a lot better than I expected. Something like that. It has a slight bend upwards. Okay, this is working better. This is working a lot better. Bit unrealistic of a cliff, just, you know. It's like the cliffs of Dover, pretty much. It's a very tight kink, so we're gonna bring it up like so, and then let's bring it around like that. Okay. I like the progression we're making here. Parallel kink, I think, almost. That works. It's like until there, and then the kink is gonna happen here. This is looking promising. We're almost there. All we need to do is connect these two. Feels a little squished from the north to south, but it is what it is. Can we bring it together? Moment of truth. Does that work? I think that works, actually. That looks good. That looks like the Qatar circuit, to be honest. Kind of like it. That looks good. Now let's add all the roads in between. Now the big question is, how are we going to get people into the city and out? So let's start with the highway system. Highway system needs to be linked in here. Let's hook this around then. Bring it parallel. Is that straight? Perhaps like that maybe? Yeah, and then we'll hook it around. And we'll bring it in. Bring it into the city like that, I'd say. That looks like a good start. I'm going to do a double height. Gonna do that. And we're gonna bring it around. Bring it around and bring it down to connect with this road here. Boom. Right until there. Why does this one have a bridge? Huh, interesting. Oh wow, this one dips. This highway dips. This is not what I want. There we go. There we go. That looks nice being at the same level, and we'll bend this one. So we got an entry and exit. Let me repurpose these. Change the direction of this because this one's an outgoing and this is an ingoing. We could have the highways interlace, but wouldn't that make it a little more complicated? Okay, so a little unorthodox by design, but it works. We've got our inflow. So these guys go here so we can see them make our way in. And then this is the exit. You can see it accesses both sets of highways. We had to cut the train line a bit. I don't have train tracks right now, but the plan is to change it so that the train goes alongside this chaotic situation. And it will work, I think. It will work. It looks good right now. We're gonna fill it in. Start deleting this neighborhood slowly. And opening this area for more circuits because I do want to build more circuits in this area to try and provide more residential zones. So this is all gonna go. What we will also do is provide these guys with some essentials such as a large fire station, maybe a hospital, like a big one. Visitors are here, finally. But just that, I can't believe they haven't decided to fill this lot in first. Hold on, how's our electricity looking? It needs to connect from here to there. Does that connect the electricity then? Yes. Nice. Now one thing I also want to do is to retire this area and make this not a suburbs, rather a like high rise, to more being like Monaco rather than, you know, just suburbs. Hopefully the demand rises for living because there's no demand right now. Not sure why. Okay, so these people are going using the main highway that we have built, or the pre-built highway. This guy's making his way to the city from here. So it is possible people are making their way to and from the other city. So you see these guys are going. This guy's going to super pharmacy. So you see they are using the highway system. So I'm not quite sure what's causing our demand to be so low. Most important thing is we built the Qatar Grand Prix circuit here. You guys can see here, start finish straight, going here, turn 1, going making our way up to turn 2 here. And then making our way to turn 3 and 4, 5, and then 6 here, and then 7 this way, 8, 9, 10, making way up now, 11, and then 12, 13, 14, 15, and the DRS detection zone for the DRS straight along here, the start finish straight. So yeah, this is pretty much sorted. The Qatar Grand Prix circuit is nicely lit up with the large road as well. That's the main thing I wanted to do, so that it's lit up nicely. It is done so. Also with the Monaco Grand Prix circuit, it's lit up nicely straight along this road here, also with the tunnel section included, and the Baku circuit here with the start finish straight and nicely lit areas, as well as some of the less bright area. But yeah, this is pretty much all the circuits done. Thank you guys so much for watching today. We accomplished our mission. We got to sort out the highway system as well, which we will do at a future episode. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, use the red button down below, hit the notification bell as well so you're notified as soon as the next episode goes live. Thank you guys so much for your time today. Thank you for watching. Take care of yourselves, stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of mine.